Hey foodies! Whoa! Have you heard about the Marley spoon sale? It's insane. You can save up to 45% off on meal plan subscriptions. Curious how to get delicious, Martha Stewart-inspired meals delivered to your door for less? Let's talk. Marley Spoon sends fresh, pre-portioned ingredients and your choice of recipes right to you, so you can whip up tasty dishes any night. With over 18,000 recipes from Martha's archives, you get 100 plus weekly options, from classic comfort food to creative twists. Pick your delivery day, skip weeks if you're busy, and enjoy top-notch ingredients like grass-fed beef and seasonal produce. To score the latest Marley Spoon coupon code, check the link in the description below. It's got the freshest codes and steps to save big. Heads up, codes change often, so always peek at that link. Ready to redeem? Choose your plan, number of people and meals per week, and you're already at 45% off. That's the best deal going. On the order summary page, fill in your billing info, pick your payment method, and place your order. Done. Dinner just got easier and cheaper. Who's ready to cook like a pro on a budget? Let's eat.